Do you really need the super expensive USB microphone? Probably yes. In this video, I'm quickly going to do a comparison of a lapel lavalier mic that I recently bought. So let's roll the intro. Okay, so you may be interesting, what lapel lavalier microphone did I get? Is it lapel or is it lavalier? I feel like I'm doing some kind of spell from Harry Potter saying lavalier.
It's Leviosa.
It says lavalier mic on the packaging. Yeah. Anyway, so I decided to grab myself the BOYA by-M1. Sounds like a super fast car. I totally didn't grab this because I'm so lazy and tired of synchronizing my audio in post-production. But there's just a few experiments that I'm so excited to try with this thing. Like, can I stream with it? I'm excited to see what I'm even going to sound like if I can stream with it. So make sure you like and subscribe for future dope content. If you don't subscribe, I'm going to come and watch you sleep. Just saying. Pretty creepy. So far, I must say, just setting up everything is so convenient, so easy. You know, I have a ton of cable space. I mean, look at this. This is everyone's worst nightmare. I think also a super dope cool pro to this thing is you can't even see it. It's like on my shirt and it blends in with my shirt. If you're wearing white, rest in peace to you, just saying good luck, have fun. And for like the first time, I'm standing in my video. I'm not seated. It's so nice. My abs hurt. I'm tired, but it's great. It's good workout. I get to move, I get to jiggle, I get to be more expressive. How about that? Let me know if you hate it. Just pray that this USB microphone does not completely trash this lapel mic and make me feel bad about spending my money on it because not sponsored. But maybe one day, who knows? So what better way to do an audio comparison than to actually inspire you at the same time? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read a few motivational quotes and then just have one motivational quote from the lapel mic and the next one actually onto the USB microphone, and they will be able to see if we can tell a difference. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Was it worth it for me to grab this lapel mic? Would you grab one after this? So let me know in the comments below. A classic Winston Churchill quote. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Never bend your head. Always hold it high. Look the world straight in the eye. Helen Keller. Anyways, let's move on to the USB microphone and I'll catch you there.
When you have a dream, you've got to grab it and never let go. Said by Carol Burnett. Whoever you are, you grab your dream. I hope she grabbed her dreams. I'm pretty sure she grabbed her dreams. I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust the sails to always reach my destination. By Jimmy Dean. Yeah, Dean. Jimmy, you sound like you had a fantastic life on the waves, getting to those destinations. Good on you, Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy, he probably slapped me so hard right now. I just want a disclaimer. I'm exaggerating my voice a bit. Just, you know, I sometimes want to be a bit epic and movie-like and dramatic. Why not? Because I can. No matter what you're going through, there's light at the end of the tunnel. When you die, I'm just kidding. You're not going to die. Okay, so there you have a fair comparison. Or I don't think it's really fair. I mean, you're comparing literally a $20 microphone versus a $120 USB mic. You're saving $100 if you grab the lapel, and you're still sounding amazing. So that's just definitely something to keep in mind when making your purchasing decision. So I'll make sure to link both of them in the description below so you can pick up either one of them if you're interested in using the microphone. Obviously, as always, I love my HyperX Quadcast, and if you do have one of these or you're picking up one of these, go check out my video where I'll show you how to make it sound even better, or how I get it to sound this crisp and this clean, especially for recording audio. So if you're a YouTuber, if you're a Twitch streamer, they have videos just for you. If you want to make it sound better in Discord, then you need to grab yourself a boom arm, keep it as close to your mouth as possible so that people can hear the spitacles of your mouth when you're talking. That's the only way you're going to actually really improve audio for Discord and in-game. Having it as close to your mouth as possible. Literally, make out with your USB microphone. Don't do that. Don't. Just don't do that. Anyways, let me know what you think of the lapel microphone and the USB microphone comparison. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe, go a long way. And let me know what other content you would love to see in the future. If you like some comparison videos, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you in those other videos. So until then, peace out, hombres. I love you. May the force be with you. I believe in you guys. Keep creating, keep smashing, keep streaming. Peace.